हमारा कल सिलेक्ट मिसिंग वर्ड हाफ में रह गया था, तो एक क्वेश्चन इसका और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. You will hear a recording about ballot in the USA. At the end of the audio, the last word or group of words has been replaced by a beep. Select the correct option to complete the audio. इसमें 4 ऑप्शंस है. द मोस्ट प्राइजेस आएगा, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर डांसर्स आएगा, द मोस्ट फेमस म्यूजिशियंस आएगा, द मोस्ट पीपल आएगा. तो इन चारों में से जो भी सेंटेंस के एंड में फिट हो वो हमको फिल कर देना है.
Of ballet in America is a kind of interesting thing to think about. If you're talking about ballet as a performance, as art, then there's a little bit of a divide between professional ballet companies that want to experiment and innovate and do new things all the time, and ballet audiences that are often very interested in seeing the classics. The 19th century classics like Swan Lake and Giselle still bring in
स्टिल ब्रिंग इन, जो पहले के क्लासिक्स वाले थे वो क्या लेके आते हैं अभी भी? द मोस्ट पीपल. द मोस्ट प्राइजेज नहीं हो सकता, द मोस्ट पीपल. ठीक है, सो दिस वन इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. ऐसे करके ही आपको चीज़ें एनालाइज करनी है, पूरा सेंटेंस जो है वो समझना है पूरा लेक्चर, और फिर उसके बाद सही ऑप्शन मार्क करना है. जैसे कि एक फिफ्थ वाला और कर लेते हैं, जिसमें ऑप्शंस है मोर देन यू वुड थिंक, एटलीस्ट इन कंटेम्प्रेरी इजिप्ट, विच इज़ कॉमन प्रैक्टिस, दैट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद आर्ट. तो हम एक बार सुन लेते हैं.
First of my top 10 about ancient Egyptian art and architecture is to tell you that it does not all look the same. That's a common preconception I think that people have, that it's all a bit, we kind of know what it looks like. It's the Bengals walk like an Egyptian. Everybody looks a bit funny because they didn't really know how to draw. That's not true. There's tremendous diversity. We're talking about a culture that had some kind of continuity for nearly 4,000 years in terms of its political structure, its language, its cultural institutions. But at the same time, it was also hugely diverse. Different regions and centers, different time periods, you know, what materials were available for people to use, what the interests, for instance, of the ruling powers were at that time. That all changes quite a lot. So there's an incredible diversity.
So there is an incredible diversity. At least in contemporary Egypt, nahi. Which is common practice, nahi. More than you would think. So more than you would think would be the correct answer. ओके, इस टाइप से आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. इसमें कोई डाउट्स आता है तो एक सेशन इसका और कर लेंगे हम, अदरवाइज यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट ऑन योर ओन.